What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Shed G, and I'm happy to be here and also be the new spokesperson for Brookdale Health here located on the corner of Bass Lake Road and Brooklyn Boulevard. Now, I'm speaking with Dr. Frisch, who is right here, who is a part of the chiropractic team here at Brookdale Health. Now, Dr. Frisch, let's get straight to it. Why is it important for someone to come here and use chiropractic after a car accident?
Well, the big thing with car accidents is most patients suffer injuries. A lot of times they might not know their injuries right away because they're in shock. So it's good to come in, get assessed to figure out what areas they may have injured. And with chiropractic care, we're trained in all musculoskeletal injuries. We're trained to assess them. And a lot of times it's almost like a triage. If it's not suited for chiropractic, we'll make sure we get you to the right providers too. But most of the case, we can get going with treatment right away to help improve your mobility, which gets you back functioning, chasing all those kids around, doing your grocery shopping, reducing the pain, reducing the muscle spasm, and just get you back enjoying life. And the big thing is, a lot of times people are like, it's going to feel better in the morning, it'll feel better the next day, I'll just throw some ice on it, I'll just stretch. And it's a perpetual thing, man. 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks down the road, they're still not able to bend over and pick up anything. And everything hurts. So it's important to come in right away, get started with that rehab so you speed it up and don't deal with pain for months on end.
Okay, now there's a lot of myths about chiropractic. Like, I know sometimes people are like, I don't know if it really works or if it may mess me up if you're trying to move things around. What would you tell somebody who is thinking that way?
So a lot of the times those myths come from, people hearsay from friends or watching social media channels and different things like that.
As we know, social media tells all the truth.
Exactly. So the big thing is, if you're nervous but you want to try chiropractic care, come in, sit down, we'll talk to you. We're a comfort-based environment, family-oriented environment. We'll make you feel comfortable. We'll make you feel like you're listened to. And that's the big thing with a lot of healthcare these days, is most of the time you go in and you just feel like it's cold, uninviting, you're not getting listened to. And the big thing when it comes to, that myth with chiropractic is there's different ways to adjust the joints of the body. Some people see those Snapchats where they're snapping and pulling, they got a strap wrapped around that. We don't do that here. We focus on the needs of the patient and focus on rehab in a safe environment that's going to get you better.
The last thing I would like to say is, why would somebody come to Brookdale Health? Because we know it's home with a two-pronged approach, physical therapy and chiropractic. But what makes it such an integral part for us to come here to Brookdale Health?
Well, I like to view Brookdale Health as almost like a hidden gem. It's like, tell more people about us, because I don't think enough people know how special this clinic is. We're physical therapy, chiropractic in tandem. At one facility, we're trained in these types of injuries. We deal with well over 300 accident cases a year. We deal with work comp injuries. We know how to navigate the insurance side of things. But even more than that, we're a family-oriented environment, like I alluded to. You come to the front desk, you get to know our front desk team by their first name. You get to know some of their hobbies. You joke with them. Right. You feel like a member of the family, which is pretty rare in today's healthcare. If I wouldn't say, you go to most hospitals, it feels cold and uninviting. You might have a good rapport with your doctor, but then the next time you go, you're seeing a PA or seeing some other nurse and you don't get to see your doctor. Here you get to see the physicians that work with you on a daily basis. You get to know them personally, and you just feel like part of the family.
Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, you've heard it here first. So make sure you come to Brookdale Health, located on the corner of Bass Lake Road and Brooklyn Boulevard. We've been here over 40 years. You're right on the corner, right in front of Cub Foods. So make sure you go to our website, brookdalehealth.com, and give us a call. All right, man, I appreciate you.
Appreciate it. Thanks for coming by today.
Oh, that's chiropractic.
That's strong hands. Strong hands.